Once you've completed a sketch, it's time to run the analysis. Click on the Calculate button on the top left-hand corner to see the predicted reduction of viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and helminth pathogens for your sketched treatment system. There are 3 different types of outputs that appear on the right-hand side of the screen. The first output is a graph that shows the percent of pathogens that are discharged in the liquid effluent compared to the sludge or biosolids. The second output is a table which shows the predicted log 10 reduction values for each of the pathogen groups. And the third output is a pathogen flow chart that shows the flow of pathogens through the system. So the width of the bar corresponds to the percentage of pathogens still remaining at each of the steps in the treatment process. In this example, you can see a comparison between viruses and helminths, where viruses tend to end up in the liquid fraction of the wastewater or the treated effluent. Helminths tend to settle to the bottom and are removed in the sludge where they may still remain viable. So you can see the relative importance of wastewater treatment and sludge management for the different pathogen groups. Click the Back to Sketch button to return back to the sketch, where you can make some modifications to your proposed design and see what the impact would be on pathogen reduction. For example, maybe you want to clone the facultative and maturation ponds to simulate how the system would perform if you had 2 additional ponds and they were operated in parallel. Don't forget to connect the arrows from the new unit processes to the source and to the end uses. Once the revisions to your sketch are complete, you can click the Calculate button again and it will recalculate the pathogen reduction for the new configuration.